Hello, friends! Today, we will learn about touch. We touch things with our body. Come with me. Let's sense together.
Hello, I am a hand.
Wow, I am touching the teddy. It feels soft and fluffy. Hi, we are feet. We are walking on the grass. It feels cool and fresh.
Very good, children. We feel things by touching. Our hands and feet help us feel. Soft, hard, hot and cold. This is called the sense of touch. You did great today. Touch helps us feel. Take care of your body.
Hello, friends. I am your nose. I am above your mouth. I am in the middle of your face. These are my nostrils. My nostrils help me to smell. I help you know good smells and bad smells.
Look at this flower. It smells so sweet. My nose likes this smell.
Let me smell this fish. Uh-oh, it smells bad. I don't like it.
Very good, children. Our nose helps us smell. We use our nostrils to smell. Some smells are good. Some smells are bad. Great job. Take care of your nose. Keep learning.
Hello, children. I am letter T. Hello, children. I am tent. Tent starts with the letter T. We use a tent when we go camping.
Hello, children. I am a tiger. I live in the jungle. I am a strong wild animal. Hello, children. I am table. We keep books and food on the table. I am tomato. I am in red color. I keep you healthy and strong. Hello, children. I am telephone. You can use me to talk to people or your friends. Hello, children. I am toothbrush. I keep your teeth and mouth fresh. Hello, children. I am tree. I give you air, shade, and fruits.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter. This is the letter T. Children, this is a tiger. Tiger starts with the letter T. A tiger is a strong wild animal. Children, this is a toothbrush. Toothbrush start with the letter T. We use toothbrush to keep our teeth clean. Children, this is a tomato. Tomato starts with the letter T. Tomato is red in color and healthy for us. Children, this is a tent. Tent starts with the letter T. We use a tent when we go for camping. Children, this is a table. Table starts with the letter T. We keep books and food on the table. Children, this is a telephone. Telephone starts with the letter T. We use a telephone to talk to family members or our friends. Children, this is a tree. Tree starts with the letter T. Trees give us air, shade, and fruits. Good job, children. Keep practicing the letter T.
It is so noisy here. My ears are hurting. My ears are hurting. Why is it so loud? I don't like it.
So loud. Children, listen. When sound is very loud, it is called sound pollution. Too much noise hurts our ears. We should not blow horns again and again. We should not play loud music. Say no to loud noise.
Hello, children. I am the ear. I help you hear sounds. You can listen to music, voices, and birds with me. Hello, children. I am the nose. I help you smell things. I can smell flowers, food, and fresh air. Hello, children. I am the hand. I help you touch and feel things. I can feel hot, cold, soft, and hard objects. Hello, children. I am the eye. I help you see the world. You can see colors, people, and animals with me. Hello, children. I am the tongue. I help you taste food. I can taste sweet, salty, sour, and bitter.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning about sense organs. Please look at the page carefully. Look here, children. This is the ear. We use our ears to hear. We can hear music, voices, and sounds with our ears. This is the nose. We use our nose to smell. We can smell flowers, food, and fresh air with our nose. This is the hand. We use our hands to touch and feel. We can feel hot, cold, soft, and hard things with our hands. This is the eye. We use our eyes to see. We can see colors, animals, people, and many things with our eyes. This is the tongue. We use our tongue to taste food. We can taste sweet, salty, sour, and bitter food. These are our sense organs. They are very important for us. Please take care of your sense organs.
After a bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes, and 2 wet legs and a shiny nose.